Alright, I'm just trying out this dual recording feature and also getting y'all's I guess getting the sound clip of these tires. This looks kind of pretty weird, but yeah, it's just me driving around town. I'm going like about 40-ish miles an hour. I really haven't got let me pull up this app on my other phone. The speed up, because I really don't know how fast I'm going no more. Cause these tires are taller than the old ones, allegedly. So we'll figure it out in a minute. Alright. Yeah, I got speed up, so we will see. Reset the trip. Yeah, reset all these values. Cause I don't know why this thing flipped backwards. This thing is weird, man. It flipped the other way. Like it's broke. I don't know. Let me get the normal view. Oh, there we go. 49, 50. Okay. Going 50. Oh yeah, these are taller because it's these are taller. Oh crap. Okay, they didn't lie. But my speedometer says 50 and I'm going 52, so yeah, these are a little bit taller. Alright, damn. I got redo my gas mileage all over again. I guess I figure out what percentage this is. But let me shut up so y'all can hear the tire noise or lack thereof tire noise. So I'll just hold this up like this and let y'all listen to it. Yeah, excuse the seats. Well, I had some stuff back here, so I put my seat back up. was quiet as long as I could. All right, just a note. Use GPS if you're trying to get your speed until you figure it out. We finna take on some highway speeds. And I'm talking about some real highway speeds. I saw a police officer up there, so look, I ain't gonna fly behind him or anything. I put it like that. And turn around. I don't know why they jamming the brakes. There's always somebody messing up traffic. GPS app is predominantly not accurate. And turn on Waze. Normally Waze is a bit more accurate. What the hell? Why are you braking, man? Why are you braking? Folks over here can't drive. Alright. His wheels are wobbling, so I already know why he can't speed. Okay, you're doing right. You're in the right lane. Yeah, don't push it. Over here. Y'all ain't gonna see that anyways. I guess y'all can trust me to tell y'all how fast I'm going. I really need to find out how fast I'm going anyways. Because I'm supposed to take this thing on a road trip. But I do say the noise is right on par with where the ridge grapplers were as far as getting up to those highway speeds. Yeah, like other people, I test them out at real highway speeds. I don't sit there and put at 65. So we finna get these bad boys up to some real speeds. So, and don't worry, I got a warranty. So if it blows, it blows. going 81, 82 miles an hour. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit, the wrist grapples were a little bit quieter, so I say, yeah, but these are alright. But yeah, the wrist grapples, you can ride them, you can ride a little bit faster here, a little bit less. But good job, Mickey Thompson, good job, good job. 82, 83. Yeah, I'm really going this. Like I said, it's not a game. Yeah. So, going in Atlanta traffic, you gotta go. Now set the cruise control to 70. Let me see, my normal driving speed would be like 78. Okay. What's normally 76 on my odometer is now 78. So these tires are a little bit tall. Because with the ridge grapples, they were exact. Well, it was to where the speedometer was actually accurate, and it took the 3 mile an hour thing away. Now these are a little bit different, so I'm gonna have to go and calculate the percentages and just figure out what my new go-to speed is. But I guess I'll do an MPG run. Honestly, the tires are, I think they're about the same weight, so it should help a little bit. I don't know. I don't care. It ain't like I bought this thing for gas miles. I bought it for utility. So it is more comfortable though. I do admit the cushion feels good. So I think I can deal with the noise. And I think half the noise is being a wee bit higher, and then also those side biters on the tread also. Because they stick out a little bit. No, they ain't a little bit. They stick out further than the ridge grappler. So I think that's a factor in the noise. So I'll take it end day of the week, but I think y'all heard me enough, and you get my live reaction and me trying to show y'all the speed. I think Waze did it the best. I think the speedometer app is trash. So we're gonna turn off Waze, and we're gonna go home and figure out how these tires are. I'm gonna say this: like, these tires are taller than the average 305 55, because they normally like 32, like 33 and a little bit change. These are over 33 and a half inches tall. Like, it's down to 34 inches tall. So I mean, I'm impressed. Mickey Thompson, I mean, y'all didn't lie. So I'm impressed, Well, it's made in the good old USA. Well, so is the ridge grapplers. The ridge grapplers actually made down the street in White, Georgia. Mickey Thompson, I have no idea where they're made at, but I'm pretty sure somebody tell me. But yeah, these are pretty good. Now I gotta figure out how fast I'm going, because since the tire size may be a little bit different, but the weight is about the same, I might save a little gas. That'd be good. But I'm out. I upload this to YouTube in a minute, and my low fuel light came on because I was driving around with a quarter tank of gas. Let me go to Sam's Club.